Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen Golf style. This Golf is powered by a 2-litre TDI 150 PS engine with automatic transmission. It's finished in this Dolphin grey paintwork. To the side of the vehicle you find the 17-inch Nottingham alloy wheels, to the front of the LED headlights that provide outstanding visibility. Coming into the boot, you find the Golf offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats, a privacy screen and shopping bag hooks. Into your rear seating, and you find the interior to be fitted with this cloth seating, which features a folding armrest with cup holders and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you find your vent controls and 2 USB ports. Moving into the cabin, and you find your front seats with manual adjustment, alongside other features such as wireless phone charging, USB ports, cup holders and storage inside the armrest. The multifunction steering wheel features cruise control and controls for your cockpit display. Moving on to the infotainment system, there are various ways to listen to media such as FM and DAB radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple Carplay and AndroidAuto is available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and can highlight points of interest. You can access various vehicle settings. You can customise your speaker's equaliser settings. You can customise the colour of your display. You can also access your driver assist features. From the display you can also access your car's climate control system. And this Golf comes equipped with front and rear parking sensors, assisting with manoeuvring through audio and visual indications. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the approved used Volkswagen Golf style that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below. Or if you'd like to join the test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.